B complex vitamins for your heart, brain, and cancer prevention. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. You know, many people take B complex vitamins because they want more energy, to reduce stress, to support red blood cell production. It does all of that. The B vitamins do that. But really the most important reasons for taking a B complex supplement are really to prevent heart disease, prevent dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and also to prevent cancer. So how does it work? Well, with respect to the brain and memory function, the truth is that the brain needs certain B vitamins to make chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters. These are the chemicals that allow the brain to function and for you to think and be able to process information and to respond appropriately and to not get depressed even. Because marginal deficiencies of B vitamins actually have been shown to cause depression and other cognitive problems just due to imbalances in neurotransmitters. And particularly as people get older, they seem to have trouble getting the B vitamins they need to make these neurotransmitters. So depression in the elderly is often linked to a marginal B vitamin deficiency. It's very common. Also, as we get older, we don't absorb certain B vitamins as well, so it's harder to get the brain supported with B vitamins. You need to know what dosage to use to actually prevent this from occurring. So supplementation has been shown to reverse these problems. That's what I'm saying to you. Other studies show this: after the age of 60, the brain starts to shrink at a predictable amount. Now, if it shrinks at a faster rate, you end up with what's called mild cognitive impairment, which leads to then Alzheimer's disease. One of the only things that's ever been shown to slow down the brain atrophy in these key areas that are linked to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease are certain B vitamins. But you have to get them into your body at the right dosage, and you should really be doing it throughout all of your adult life. What about heart disease? Well, certain B vitamins prevent the buildup of a toxic compound that damages blood vessels and causes cholesterol to stick at certain points and thicken the blood and lead to heart attacks and strokes. So that toxic chemical, when it builds up, we know it accounts for about 10% of all heart attacks every year. And the way that you keep that toxic chemical down, the only way it can be done, is with certain B vitamins, and every medical doctor knows that. Now, many people have walk around with very high levels of this toxic chemical because they're not getting the B vitamin intake required to get it into the ideal range for prevention. What about cancer? Well, marginal deficiencies of certain B vitamins also increase the risk of cancer. How? Certain B vitamins are required to make strong linkages in your DNA. When you can't get those linkages strong, it's known as hypomethylation of the DNA, just so you know that I know what I'm talking about here. And when you have hypomethylation of your DNA, then any insult to the cell or to that DNA area from free radicals or what are called DNA adducts from different compounds that can stick to the DNA can easily break those linkages. And then as the DNA tries to correct the damage, it sometimes inserts the wrong base pairs, and then you end up with a mutation, and that mutation can lead to cancer. This is not just a theory, it's a scientific fact. Low levels of certain B vitamins increase risk of cancer. It's well documented. So in chapter 2 of my book, The Machino Optimal Living Program, I explain exactly how B vitamins help to prevent dementia and Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, and cancer, along with what daily dosages of the B vitamins you want to get in a proper formulation. So it's very important disease prevention and longevity information everybody should have. So I would suggest strongly that you download the chapter and get the right details to help preserve your functional life. Now at machinohealth.com you'll see my other research review papers, footage from my live professional seminars, other downloads, resources, and videos I've created. They're all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. All my research review papers and teaching materials are complete with all the scientific references, so you'll see that you're getting only evidence-based information from me on any health topic that you're looking for. So you should use machinohealth.com as an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.